Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start a Jitsi Meet meeting step by step. A Jitsi Meet makes it easy to host secure online meetings without creating an account on the public service, making it perfect for quick team calls, classes, or family chats. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Jitsi Meet website, or launch the Jitsi Meet app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection before continuing. Next, on the home screen, enter a unique meeting name in the Start a New Meeting field. Choose a name that's easy for your participants to remember, but difficult for others to guess if you want better privacy. Now, click or tap Start Meeting. Jitsi Meet will create your meeting instantly. If prompted, allow access to your microphone and camera so you can communicate with other participants using audio and video. Once the meeting opens, invite others by clicking or tapping the invite button. Copy the meeting link and send it through email, messaging apps, or any other method you prefer. Participants can simply open the link to join the meeting. Before everyone joins, take a moment to adjust your microphone, camera, and speaker settings. You can also mute yourself, turn off your camera, share your screen, or use the chat feature during the meeting whenever needed. And that's it. You now know how to start a Jitsi Meet meeting and invite others to join your secure online conference in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.